This is not financial advice. This is not legal advice. For entertainment, educational purposes only, and everything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff so you get it as I put them out. See what I'm thinking, see I'm analyzing that data. But like I tell y'all every day, the data they release us is false, meant to mess us psychologically so we can make bad trading decisions. Listen, AMC, and I know we're not supposed to give dates. It can squeeze at any time. It could be this week. It could be next month. But the numbers, the charts, it looks like it's imminent. And I'm talking about we might be able to see some big moves this week. And I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell AMC. But the charts and everything I'm looking at tell me that this week we should see some big moves. There's going to be a lot of volatility. Not just because of what happened with FTX and the 1.5 billion of counterfeit shares. But here's the thing. We got 56,857 calls that are in the money. Okay? And if it goes to $8, that's going to be a lot of call options that those guys are going to have to buy. Okay, a lot of call options that those guys are going to have to buy, the hedgies, the bad actors. So not only do they got to find these 1.5 billion shares, these counterfeit shares they got out there, I believe that we might start seeing a gamma squeeze next week. And the definition of a gamma squeeze is the gamma squeeze happens when the underlying stock price begins to go up very quickly within a short period of time, and more money flows into call options from investors. That forces more buying activity, which can lead to higher stock prices. The bottom line is this. As more calls go into the money, the people who sold the calls, and these are usually naked calls, because it's not like you and I selling calls where we have to have the shares to sell the calls. These guys sell naked calls. And that's another reason why the derivatives is $2.4 quadrillion. That's another thing. That is why the derivatives are $2.4 quadrillion, because these bad actors sell naked calls. They sell naked calls. So because they sell the naked calls, when the stock starts going into the money, they got to start hedging the bet and start buying up the shares. And if they start hedging on Monday or Tuesday, we could see a lot of activity going on next week. So not only is there potential for a gamma squeeze, and this is just my opinion, do not buy, hold, or sell based on anything I say in these videos, but being that it's 56,000 calls that's in the money, it might start a gamma squeeze starting on Monday or Tuesday. And if that happens, especially with everything else that's going on in the market, with all the counterfeit shares that's been exposed, we could see some real volatility next week and the following week going into December. Anyway, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff, and tell me what you think about 56,857 call options in the money. And should we see a gamma squeeze starting Monday? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.